Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Erica, and today's video is going to be a New Year's Eve makeup look tutorial. So the look I had in mind that I want to do is basically like a smoked out black liner with like silver glitter, maybe other colors of glitter, and I probably want to incorporate stars or like glitter stars or something fun. I also got a lot of new makeup for Christmas, so maybe I'll try some of that. And yeah, basically I feel like from my perspective, liner, like smoked out liner, can actually be a lot more forgiving than like trying to do like a really sleek, really clean liner, because if it's a smoked out liner, it's a little more forgiving and you have room to blend and room to kind of figure it out. So I'm hoping today's video is going to be relatively like easy or like user friendly, if that works. So yeah, that's going to be today's video. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching, and also follow my Instagram and my TikTok. But basically I just kind of like doing like mini tutorials over there, whereas this is like the full in-depth tutorial if you want to know every little thing I'm using. So yeah, and also I also like posting over there because I'm able to use like the sound and different music and stuff, whereas over here I have to use like copyright free kind of music, which is like, it's fine. It's like different mediums of posting or whatever. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So let's go ahead and get into this look. I actually put on my cute little hair clip or whatever, and I think I'm gonna show you guys this like palette I got. So I got this palette for Christmas. It's the Shrek Revolution palette, and it's the Donkey palette. And if you know anything about me, Shrek is in my top 5 movies, so we love Shrek over here. And what does it say? I didn't even notice this. It says, on this part it says, and in the morning I'm making waffles. And then these are the colors. I think they're really cute. It's giving like Anastasia. Like, it's giving very sophisticated for Donkey, but I'm here for it. There's also a silver. I guess I can swatch that right now. I have another makeup, oh, this is very pigmented. I have another Makeup Revolution palette, and I feel like it's not super duper pigmented, and I have to use like setting spray to like get the shades to like do what I want. But this is actually really cute. Oh, and I just realized I opened up my window over here, so hopefully the lighting doesn't go crazy on me. But anyways, oh yeah, so that's that. And I already primed my eyes, and then I also put on my Lovely Bees stuff into my eyebrows to kind of like set them into place. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this look. So I think I'm gonna start with this palette that I have. A couple of my blending brushes like aren't super duper clean, which is honestly fine, because I'm just gonna use like whatever's left over to kind of set. Okay, so I think first I'll take my crease brush, and I'm sure there's some leftover stuff, and I'm gonna go into the shade Waffles. Okay. So we're just gonna put that shade in the crease, and I also, you can see the eyebrow gel. I also like put shades right under my eyebrow because it kind of like completes the nose contour. And I'm doing my eyes first today, and if you're following along, I would highly recommend doing your eyes first, because it's just, especially since I'm planning to do like a black eyeliner smoky look, I already know there's going to be tons of fallout, and that is just very easily avoidable if you do your eyes first, especially like black dark colors. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip into Boulder. Actually, this shade up here kind of goes with my nails, but I'm going to dip into the shade Boulder right here. But I painted my nails last night, and I love painting my nails at night before I go to bed, because first of all, I hate going about my day walking around trying not to mess up my wet nails. Like, it's just the worst. So I always do my nails at night before I go to sleep. So last night I did my nails, and it's just my favorite thing, because I feel like every morning you can, like, not every morning you do your nails. I love waking up with a fresh set, and it's like you don't even have to do anything. They're dried, you're good to go, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so I just put that shade Boulder on my outside area to kind of give some more dimension. Now I'm gonna smoke it out again with that same crease shade. And then this is pretty much just like laying a base, and it, for me especially, it works as like a reminder of where the shades are supposed to go. So now we're gonna get into the eyeliner. Okay, so I just did a little liner right here, and this is how I do my eyeliner, right? So, oh fuck. And sometimes I like put a little on the back of my hand to get it going. And like, I know I said we're gonna do black smoked out liner, but you just have to be there for the process, you know? Okay, so this is how I do my eyeliner. I do one side to match the other, and then I slowly build it up. Okay, so see how I created a mini wing? So now you do a mini wing over here. And you try to match them. So for me, this method works a lot better versus having to do one liner and try to completely match it on the other side. If you go back and forth, it's way easier to match them. And then another important thing is like, yeah, you do want to look up really close, but you should also like take a step back and make sure from far away they look like they match too. That's good enough for me. As long as they sort of match, it really doesn't matter because we're going to be covering this up. I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. This is my favorite palette, or one of my favorites. And I pretty much, this is my favorite black to use, so that's what I'm going to do. It also comes with this little brush, so I use the mini to put it on there, and then I use this to blend it out. So let's go ahead and dip into the black. This is a really good red palette. Every time I have like a red look, like, it's just the perfect palette for red stuff. So basically, as you can see, as I keep going, it doesn't matter that we use some crappy brown eyeliner underneath because this is going to cover it up anyways. It's basically giving the shade, the shadow, something to stick to underneath. My posture right now is like, let's just fix that really quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back for the next step. Now that we've added the black, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this color and start blending out the black and like blending it up. So it's okay if it looks a little muddy or messy because first of all, that's why we're doing our eyes first. And second of all, once we add the glitter and stuff, we'll be able to mesh the matte and the glitter together. So it won't be so crazy looking. I don't know. You just have to really trust the process with looks like this. Sometimes looks like this can look real ugly before they look cute. And that's just how it goes, you know? Pretty much the technique I do is like use like a small kind of brush like I just did to apply it, and then use a crease brush to blend it all out. And I feel like if you stick with that technique, then you can pretty much never go wrong. So as you can see, I just put a few different shimmer shades. So I put 2 different silvers on here. I just kind of layered them up. And then I put like a duochrome purple shade over here by my outer corner. And the look still needs some more blending and buffing. So I'm going to go back into my crease shade and just start applying that again into the crease and stuff. So I feel like that's also something I do a lot, is like just like go kind of crazy and put a bunch of shades and then you can blend them out later, you know? So now I'm adding that purple shade to deepen it out again. Then I'm going to go back into my Dose of Colors palette and go into the dark red brown and put that right next to the black. Then I'm going to take the black and put that on top of the black liner that we already have. Okay, so I just added like these stars that I have on each side, and then I also have this glitter, this star glitter, and this purple, black, and silver glitter. So I think I'm going to add some of those. Also, I should say, absolutely, these glitters are not eye safe. They're not made for your eyes. I bought them from Michael's at the craft section. Like, I do not condone using not eye safe glitter. These are for your eyes, but these are not. But that's just what I have and that's just what I use. So if you're doing it, be extremely careful, and if not, just buy some. Just buy some eye safe glitter. But again, I don't condone using this kind of glitter. The mascara I'm going to put on is the Dior Show Pump and Volume, and I'll be right back. I ended up using pretty much all the glitters that I showed. So this is how the eyes are looking right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my base and throw on some lashes, and I'll be back for the final touches. So this is the final look. I just used my like everyday makeup look. I mean, my everyday lip. This is my Smashbox Stepping Out lipstick, and then I used a lip liner that is buried somewhere in all my things. Oh, here it is. Okay, the Araceli lip liner in the shade Chalupa. So yeah, this is the final look, and then I threw on some lip gloss, and this is pretty much it. I think it turned out really good. It got a little messy there for sure with the glitter, but I think it's part of the vibe. It's a little like grungy, it's a little like early 2000s Kesha, and I'm here for it. That's kind of what I wanted. That's kind of how I wanted this to go anyways. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please check out my TikTok and my Instagram reels, and also give this video a like and subscribe down below if you like it, and it will help promote my video and get more people to see it. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.